Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs boiled. First, gather your eggs in a saucepan. Place the eggs in the pan and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. This helps prevent the shells from cracking. Next, bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat slightly to maintain a gentle boil. The cooking time determines your egg's doneness. For a soft, jammy yolk, boil for 6 minutes. If you prefer a firm yet creamy yolk, aim for 8 minutes. For a fully firm, classic hard-boiled egg, 10 minutes is ideal. Remember to start your timer as soon as the water reaches a boil. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling much easier. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes, or until they are comfortable to handle. Gently tap and roll the egg on a hard surface, then peel under cold running water. Now that you have perfectly boiled eggs, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them warm with a pinch of salt and pepper for a simple snack. They are also fantastic sliced into salads or sandwiches. For a crowd-pleasing appetizer, you can even transform them into delicious deviled eggs. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.